just make you always feel alive. Ain't got to lose. It's like too fast, move too fast, it's too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Afsisterwigs. You know, it's definitely one of the OG companies. Alright. Always love getting, you know, wigs from the Afsisterwig because it's always such great quality. So I'm excited. So of course, first thing we're seeing is the wig. I got a clip. I got some pins. Always love getting these. A pair of wig caps, edge brush and comb, and that's everything in the box. Alright, so this is feeling really nice. Like the hair, you see this color? Yeah, I love the highlights. Oh my gosh, yes, I definitely love the highlights. Oh, and there's a blunt cut. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy about that. Now this is a really beautiful 13 by 6 wig. It's already pre-bleached, pre-tinted, so it's perfect. You don't have to do any of that. It has a total of 4 combs rather inside of the cap, and adjustable straps in the back. It also has a adjustable extra elastic band for more security, which you could definitely adjust to make the wig like more snugged on your head once you apply it, because guess what, we're also going to be wearing this wig glueless today, and you could go ahead and also you know, glue it down, get it real melted if you want. But because you see this lace front, you do not need to go in and pluck this any further. This is plucked to perfection. Guys, the color is so beautiful. This is a gorgeous brown color with highlights in it. And it's a bang wig, okay? So that's the kind of style they're coming off with. I love a really natural looking bang. I don't like a bang that's too heavy. I don't like when the bang look like a helmet. I love when it look natural and light and airy, very fringed. You know, very light on the face. It just has a nicer look for me personally. That's just me. You know, if that's not your style, then that's fine. You know, everybody like different things. Everybody could love the same thing. But that's what I like, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna put the density and the length, the specific length of this wig in my description box, so you know, as usual, please check that out. You can see the direct link to the wig and everything. I'm so excited to go ahead and slip this on for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Of course, you know, we always cut off the back of the wig, not the wig, but the lace in the back here before we even move on. So that's what I'm gonna do and slip this right on. Okay, so, you know, I'm assuming they left the bangs a little longer, so, you know, it could fit everybody on their initial, like, try-on. So you could always cut it down, because it's best it's longer than it's shorter, you know? So, you know, it's not, like, too short when you get it. It's so light and airy and breathable. Oh my gosh, love this. Alright, so I'm gonna have to just comb back the hairs. Oh my gosh. And I slipped it on with the elastic band, the extra elastic band inside. You see that? Do you see that? You could go ahead and I feel like do a really nice melted look with this, with even like the bang down and then the side part vibe. It was, oh my gosh, you see how I comb that back? And how it's just like, this is so nice. I'm literally just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace, you know, like from around my ears, and also like on the hairline there. So blended, like you could not tell that there's a lace there. You know, we love a good lace. So just take your time and see like how this is coming up. So all I do in these cases is just kind of like tack the sides. I'll tack the sides with some spray. I won't touch the rest of it because you want to wear it glueless and still melted. You can still give it that melted look, you know? So you see that? Yeah. I tell you, them company are top tier company. Them work overtime on them wigs. Them they just slap that shit, give you stuff. No thick lace. We don't do that. No, we don't. All I'm gonna do is take the ear portion and I'm gonna get some of my ebon. I'm gonna get some of that, and I'm not even making like a super precise like sideburn or anything, because you really don't even have to. If you don't want to do no sideburns, don't. I'm just using a piece of hair just to hold it in place from the sides, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of my spray. Right, so easy, super beginner friendly. And then we dry that down. Yes, sir. All right. Where is the lace? I'll wait. Super hard to detect. Love that. Super, super hard to detect. So, can't go wrong with that. I'm gonna cut down just the middle portion here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much, because when you curl it, you don't want it to be too short. Like, I'm just gonna give it a bump, not a like curl. And then for the top hair, I'm gonna just take my hot comb, and I mean they gave it like some messy little body wave, but nothing too serious. I'm gonna kind of go over it a little bit with my curling iron, but before, yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now before I even, you know, kind of give the bangs a like bump. Pull it back, you can, cause you got nothing to hide. Nothing to hide whatsoever. I'm just, you know, giving it a fluff. You know, just shake it from side to side. Love the realistic vibes. Like, and it's not going anywhere. You see how snug it is, and this is not glued down on my head. Afsisterwig, they definitely did their thing. Definitely did their thing on this wig. It's beautifully constructed. It's very realistic. The lace is top tier. It is gorgeous. If you're looking for a realistic bang wig that you could switch it up with, like it can be versatile, you can push it back, and it's a full-on lace front. It's a 13x6. You have a lot of parting space. Get you this wig. Get you this wig. If you want to play around, have a little bit of highlights as well, get you this wig because it's gorgeously colored. It is beautiful. Because what? Girl, check out my description box. The direct link is down there. Afsisterwig, be up on yourself, because we're done up down here. Yeah. We don't do wigs that look like wigs. We do wigs that look like it's going from your scalp. That's what we do. So, yeah. Shout out to them once more. That's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this wig video informative. I know I love this type of upgraded wig that I have going on. It's different for me. It's different. But yeah. It's definitely giving conservative though. Like the whole look is giving a more conservative vibe. If you want to go with a bang bob, you want to switch up the color different from black, it's definitely giving that, you know, way more toned down, and just, you know, it's even giving corporate, you know, so that's nice. But yeah, done with my rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Move too fast, live too fast, ain't no such thing as too fast.